What's up, guys? Let me know when you can see me in the chat. Got a nice little pump there. Is that it? Or will we continue? That is the question. I still think we get up to that 10,065. Just my opinion, based on what I've been talking about for quite some time here. Can you guys see me? Small pullback to 98, then go up. Okay, so you can see me. What's up, Reg? Caesar Bizlig. What's up, Dennis? Nap, Crypto Sam, Rayan. All right, let's see what happens here. I'm gonna try to get into smaller time frame. Keep an eye on this. This is a 1 hour. Let's go down to the 15-minute and see. Obviously, you're getting these wicks, which are stomping out the high leveraged positions. I'm glad you made it, Reg. What's up, Joe? What's up, Agent Bambi? How you doing, man? What's up, Cindy? Good to see you here. Didn't see you in the one earlier. Kind of just watching this to see what's going to happen here. I still believe we are headed to that 10,065 level. And I do believe when we... Let me zoom in here real quick. I do believe when we come up to retest this trend line, that's going to be decision time. If we can break this trend line here on the 4 hour and close the 4 hour above it, we're going up to our higher targets there. It's obviously no guarantee that's going to happen, but let's look at the daily. And on the daily, we are sitting right at our trend line there. Will we get up and hit our target? I do believe that we're going to. Novsky said, come on, give us 10K. What's up, Stojan? Just got the brisket off the smoker. Perfect timing, Joe. You mind taking a look at Ethereum on the 15-minute? Sure, I'll take a look at it. Let's go down to 15-minute. And looks like looks like it might have a little lower to go. Might come back down to the 220 range. That's what it's looking like, possibly. Let's put a Fibonacci extension on this 15, or a Fibonacci retracement on the 15-minute and see what it looks like. So yeah, either get a bounce back off the 220 or the 219, 220, right in that area. It should get a bounce back, judging by the RSI here. So yeah, that's what I'm looking at on Ethereum. Let's go back to the daily and get back over to our Bitcoin. It's gonna be a little battle here, guys. Let's see if we can keep the 15-minute above these EMAs. We are getting supported on the 13 EMA, getting rejection on the 8. So let's see what happens here. It could definitely correct more. We could come back down and test this 98.40 region. Possibly all the way down to 97.72. I don't think we'll go that low, though. Like I said, I'm still looking for that 10,065 range. Alex said, correction time. What do you think about XRP. Lawrence, I don't really care about XRP, bug. Is that a massive head and shoulders, or do you think something else? On what, Eric? On that Ethereum? I didn't notice it. Kind of more interested in what's going on with Bitcoin at the moment. We'll take a look at it in a minute. Michael, what's up, man? Yeah, beautiful day in the markets. Nice, C172. You have to remember whatever levels you say will be front run by the market movers, I think. That's true. That's true. I mean, that happens, but I mean, I do have a measured move up to this 10,300 area too. And like I said, judging by the RSI is a great indicator, guys. And judging by the RSI, I think we still go up here. We're going to close at least up on this trend line here. If we close a daily above this trend line, I think we're going to have a hell of a week next week. Mike Barbetta, finally caught you live. Welcome, brother. If you guys are new here, definitely don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I do daily updates every single morning. C172, Savvy, can you use your chat to pump the penny stocks that I may or may not be bag holding? What's up, Spears? What's up, G4L? So anyways, yeah, make sure you smash the likes, guys. And if you are on mobile, all you have to do is exit the chat for a second, hit the X on the chat, hit that like button, and then you can re-enter the chat. Just hit live chat. Just trying to get back on top of that 8 EMA there on the 15-minute. Nick, hello from Denmark. Hello. C172. I believe that's illegal. I'm not sure, but I'm pretty sure. Tom Fitzgerald, don't forget to like. Yes, please. Matt Christensen, 2 lives in a day. It's like Christmas. We're getting a little bit of action, so I thought I'd get back on here for a little bit and hang out with you guys for a while. C172, I think you're correct. Yeah, pretty sure, man. What's your take on the weekend market, Savvy? It all depends on what's going on in the chart, really, man. Anything can happen on the weekends, obviously. It's low volume, but charts are charts, man. They always play out. Mark Danes is here. What's up, Brian Jensen? Victor Fernandez. What's up, homie? What's up? Is it Raymond? Ramen? R3MON? We're still getting rejected on this 8 EMA on the 15-minute here. Raymond? Apollo gonna change more things this year. Don't know about that. Zane just subscribed. Welcome to the channel, man. Glad to have you. Vladimir, what's up, man? Hey, members, let me know if you guys want to do a Zoom meeting here in about, well, after I close this stream. Give it about a half hour after this stream, and we can do a Zoom meeting. If enough of you guys want to attend, let me know. Just hit yes or no. Right on. Do you think the weekly stochastic RSI will stay overbought territory for a long time, like the run up in April to July 2019? I don't use the stock RSI, so yeah, I don't know. New here and liking this channel. Thanks, Rob Hill. I appreciate it, man. I'm glad to have you. Shane Pryor, hey from Sydney. What's up, man? Vladimir, how come you green? He's a member. Daniel Crypto. Apollo FinTech. First Currency. Oh no. We have a shiller in here. We don't like shillers in here, man. Jules, what's up from Melbourne? Callian, hey Savvy, what price do you think Bitcoin will take a U-turn? I am still looking for that little boost above the 10,065, and we were talking about the RSI. The RSI is going to be key here to me, where we hit it. Savvy, what's good, bro? What's up, Treese? Welcome back, man. Crypto Loose Fingers, how are the LTC targets going? Looking good. I think we still get this push up to that $79 range for Litecoin. Still looking for it. G4L, there is a link down at the bottom. It says join. There's 3 different levels. You can check them out. And yeah, so Vladimir, I don't know if you have Zoom or not, but probably download that, and we're gonna be doing a Zoom meeting later. It'll probably be at about 7 o'clock my time, so about an hour and a half. I'll probably stay in this for about a half hour and then get ready for the Zoom meeting. McAfee loves Apollo so much. That's just more reason to stay away from it. That must be what he's gonna shill the shit out of this time. And screw everybody that buys it. What's up, Pioka? APL got shilled by McAfee as well. McAfee, yeah, man, stay away from McAfee shills. If McAfee talks about it, sell it if you got it. Get out. Someone doesn't want Bitcoin over 10K. When do you think Litecoin will reach at least 140? Probably later on this year, maybe by midsummer. Maybe by summertime, midsummer. I used to like McAfee until recently. Yeah, man, he went all cuckoo, and he made a lot of money off of shilling his shit coins in 2017 and 18 when he would name the coin of the day and it would pump, like Verge and Sky, those ones. They pumped and just dumped all over everybody that bought them. And how that works is he probably got a shitload of those coins, and him pumping it, everybody bought them, and him and whoever gave him the coins, the company or whatever, all dumped them on everybody. That's how pump and dumps work, guys. And this space is crazy. Brandy Sims, welcome to the channel. Good to have you. Yep, McAfee would tweet, and 2 minutes later, exactly. Just like I said, if you can catch it and then dump it with everyone else before you get it dumped on, more power to you. But I won't mess with that crap, man. Oh, have you tried Litecoin? What do you mean, have I tried Litecoin? I use Litecoin. Is that what you mean? Your opinion on how the halving will affect other alts? I don't know. I know everybody's counting on alt season to be like it always is. C172 Pilot just subscribed. You weren't subscribed this whole time, man? What the hell? Anyways, yeah, I forgot what I was talking about. Oh, the halving. Yeah, I don't know. I don't trust these altcoins, man. I really don't. Oh, you was? Then what happened? It just told me you subscribed for some reason. You unsubbed? Oh, to see if it would come up on the screen. Gotcha. Sanja, I like IOTA, no fees, and pretty quick. BTC cap is on a bad way, no? You mean, what do you mean BTC cap is on a bad way? I don't quite understand that, man. Kevin Claypool, 12,000 is a 63% increase for Bitcoin, coincides with Litecoin to 123, 63%. I'm telling you, silly numerology is what Litecoin loves. I think we might see, you know, obviously we're going to have a correction here at some point, but I do think this, where is it at? This here is going to play out something like this, guys. We could get all the way up within the next 2 or 3 weeks, all the way up to that 11,100 to 11,300 area. And I do think we're most likely going to get a rejection there, back down to the 7,700 to 8,000. And that would, depending on where we come down here, it could be April, May, somewhere in this area. And I do believe that'll be the absolute last time you can get it at that price. Where do you project Bitcoin dominance after this cycle? It depends on how this goes, man. This year goes, but after the whole cycle, you mean like 2021? I think it'll be really high, super high. Hopefully, people will start understanding that the altcoins aren't worth crap when real people start looking at it and they quit preying on the new people and taking their money. What's up, Lady Plants a lot? Evening, Big Mark. Treese, what if I rode the blue trend line until we broke out? What if we rode the blue trend line? Oh, this one here at 81.87. Is that the one you're talking about? Come on, guys, smash the likes. Thanks, Sean. Appreciate it. Mike Barbetta said, how many long, short, or hodling? So if you're long, put a L. If you're S, put a short. And a H if you're hodling. Bitcoin doesn't care about Bitcoin dominance. Auto. Long. Not many shorts in there. Novsky's hodling. Long that ish. Long and hodl. Same, Sean. Same. Rezer82 just subscribed to the channel. Welcome to the channel. Don't forget to tick the notification bell so you can get notified when I do my videos in the morning. I do updates every single morning, guys, if you are new here. Let's go back over to see what's going on. Well, it's trying to get above that 8 EMA on the 15 minute. Let's see if we can stay above it. Long and hodl, long. J. I don't know what J is. Didn't know that was an option. Long since 2017. Right on, Bitcoin broke. How's the boy? Long and short, Steve S says. Caleb Coleman. Hodl. A lot of hodlers. Nothing wrong with hodling and dollar cost averaging, guys. That is the safest way to go. He's good. Awesome, man. Good to hear, bro. The Lady Plant says hodling until she can get her Kubota. Josh Gruber. What's E? Long from 93.50. Nice long, Andrew. Very nice. All right, we're back above that 8 EMA. Here we go. Let's see what happens. Lady Plants needs a husband too. I think her requirements are you hold a lot of Bitcoin and should be willing to marry you, maybe. And maybe if you bring along a Kubota, that seal the deal. Proud and real, yo, General Savy, 5 stars, hodler. Right on. Nick is short on Tesla. Nice. Long to the moon, says Noel. Mike Weber, what's up, man? I appreciate you commenting every day on the videos, man. That's awesome. I really do appreciate it. You guys don't know how much just commenting on anyone's video. If you guys like the content creator, the YouTuber you're watching, and you enjoy get anything out of their videos, leave a comment on their videos, man. Not just a like. Always do a like, but leave a comment. It really helps them out. Me too. Here we go. We're gonna continue. Low last low completed. 10K next. The shorts are getting wrecked until it finally blasts through the 10K. They keep tempting them like hanging cheese for a mouse. They get them to get their shorts in, and then they use that as fuel to pump it when they liquidate them and stop them out. What's up, Christian? Crypto loose fingers. When I first got into crypto February 18th, I was in for the Lambo last February 19th. I was in for maybe my retirement. Now I see my hodlings as my kids' grandkids' legacy. Right on. The longer you stick in, the more Bitcoin makes sense, man. Savy did not say he wasn't going to leave until 11K. Patrice said, I dare y'all to short this. Brian Jensen, I always do a small comment for most YouTubers, just small. Thanks will do. Yeah, man, even in the comment, if you just leave a comment with a fist bump or anything, any comment, it really helps. And if you see a comment in their comments, comment on their comment. That just really helps. The YouTube algorithm has changed a lot in the last year. It's a lot harder to get the views, like especially for new channels starting out. They're gonna have a lot harder time now. Dan T, comment. Random comment. Comment made on honor. Any comment really helps. Yes, any comment really helps. Seriously. All right. It's like it's going to give it another attempt to get up there. Do comments help on live streams? Yeah. The more interaction the viewers have, like even in live streams, when there's a lot of people talking in a live stream, YouTube will put it and suggest it in front of more people so it gets more people in. Kevin Claypool. So, does anyone know why the crypto has a tendency to pump and dump at 6 a.m. and 6 p.m. Central Time, Asian markets maybe? Yeah, it could be. I mean, any update on the bot trading? Yeah, don't use bots. That's the update. I told them to shove it up their butt, man. Garbage. I won't even put it on my channel and tell people anything about it. That's why I wanted to try it first. It's crap. I mean, if you use them manually, I guess is one thing, but most people want a bot to let it run on its own. Thomas Fitzgerald, wondering when I should exit this position. Normally I would have already exited in profit, but this time I'm holding, thinking close to 10 or to 11K and re-enter after correction. I don't know if we're going to quite make it to 11K here. We may get up to this 10,000, 10,002. We may only correct back down in this area and get another push up. We got all this month, if my theory's correct, of this here. It depends on where you got in. If you want to ride it all the way up, I think we're going to come up and test this 11,100, 11,300, depending on where we hit this trend line. By the end of this month, first week of May or first week of March, and I'm looking for a rejection there, but be prepared. If we break this trend line and close the daily above it, watch out. It's going to be balls out. Jesse Brown, any comment? What's up, Dirksy? How you doing, brother? The sim lane, yo Savy, Litecoin has led the way. Correction looks like it's on the way. Possibly. I still think we get this one more little push up. I definitely think we get another little push up. And that may, you know, it may take till tomorrow, but we'll see. BTC all-time high before or after halving? After, Chris, after. I don't see it going before. I've heard some people saying that. Nap said, watch out, balls out. Sweet bro, cooking up some niblets for the UFC fight. Right on, man. Seems like the alts right now are starting to go into Bitcoin. They may be. Dan T said, I think we're in the disbelief stage. Bitcoin enters space if it pushes through the 11,169. Yeah, depending on where we hit that is what I'm looking at. It's this trend line is what matters. And what this is the Fibonacci retracement zone, and that is in between 11,050 and 11,300 area. But I think it'll be a test of this top trend line here. That's drawn off of these peaks. So that's what I'm watching for. And like I said, if it breaks through that, the 0.786 would be next at 12.3. And if it breaks past that, guys, it's just gone. It is gone. I'm not selling up until confirmed rejection. It's on the edge. Yeah, it's getting close, I think. But like I said, I don't even think this may not be as big of a correction as people are thinking either. Yeah, it's possible that this won't be as big of a correction as people think right here. 'Cause I do think it's possible we go up. Let me see something. Let's put that up to the 10,000. Put this down here. Look at some possibilities. Yeah, you know, we could just come back and correct to the $9,000 range and then continue on up, but I think there's a good possibility we might see that 11,000 area before by the first week of March, I would say. But like I said, I'll do daily updates. We'll keep up on it and try to figure out what's going on. So make sure you're subscribed to the channel if you're not already for the daily updates every morning. Savvy, do you see any divergence of the RSI or MACD? Not the RSI, not the MACD. There is some divergence here. If you look, we're having higher highs in the price action, lower highs, which that's hidden bearish divergence right here. So we are seeing some divergence there, but I do want to remind you guys, if we go over the daily here, I showed you guys earlier in the live stream, divergence, it works, it helps, but it's not a tell-all, obviously, because everyone could just play it. But if you look here, right here, this was major divergence. You can see the higher highs, and then these were just even. That's major, that's bearish divergence. But you can see what happened after that. The RSI corrected big time, made hidden bearish or hidden bullish divergence, and look what happened after it. You know, another huge pump. That was a $8,000 pump. So, or actually $5,000 pump, not 8,000. But so yeah, you got to watch that. I mean, really study the RSI and learn it and how it works. And the trend lines on the RSI help tremendously in learning hidden bullish divergence and hidden bearish divergence, not only bullish and bearish divergence. Really helps. I haven't reminded the wife about the 3K Bitcoin yet, but I will. 1 year anniversary coming up. Right on. Will breaking 10K cause increased media attention? It probably will. You know, they might talk about it a little bit. I don't think it's going to put on a bunch of hype until we probably break that $14,000 high, and then I think they'll start pushing it. Wouldn't be surprised if Bitcoin goes down to the 6K range before having, just to throw a spanner in the works and everyone calling for Bitcoin to go to zero and then bouncing past all-time highs. It's possible. I see it probably around the $77 to $80 or $77 to $8,000 range, but we'll see. What is it? Big Mark. Oh, Savy has a shirt for that, right? No, it will just cause excess drinking. Andre says, smash the likes, guys. People waiting for 6K are going to be buying at 20K. We know what happens at 6K. Happened before. Even the banks and institutions are going to FOMO. I think a lot of the banks and institutions are already got quite a bit of money just sitting there. Thanks, Big Mark. It's much appreciated. People who didn't see this pump coming must be kicking themselves. We've been talking about it since back here. Way back here. What's Litecoin's target after the 77.91? After hitting 77.91? A 79 is what I'm looking for in Bitcoin. I mean Litecoin, I'm sorry. A 71 is my target there. And let's see. Yeah. 79 is my target there. It may go a little bit higher, maybe. You ever use God Mode 3.1 mod with ISMA Litecoin? No. Don't even know what that is, man. Virus having effect on Chinese-based crypto companies. I mean, maybe. I don't know. The Chinese-based crypto companies are just crap coins anyway. Maltega. No problem, brother. Yeah, these are the same targets I've had for weeks now. What gets me kind of stoked is the fact that the institutions are going to want to dump their bags at some point. Big FOMO incoming. Litecoin will break 100 this year. I feel it. Oh, I believe so. C172. Until this Corona crap disappears, no noodles for me. Big Mark UK. This is the third big run up I've seen in crypto, and worst case will probably be the second biggest. Do you know Mac Miller? No, I do not know Mac Miller. Who is Mac Miller? Do I want to ask? What do you think about this being a weekend pump? It was, I mean, if you watch my channel, I've had these targets there for about 2 weeks. So, I mean, call it what you will. It doesn't matter when it happened. These targets have been sitting here for quite a while. If we close above the previous resistance levels from like November 19th, we're absolutely going up again. Josh Gruber said, I drink Corona. A rapper who died a while ago. Oh, I kinda, is that the one that OD'd? Mac Miller, is that who it is? I guess I have heard of him if that's what happened. Litecoin only took 4 trading days to go from under 100 to over 300. Few chart readers predict that move. Well, yeah, but that was in a massive, massive bull run. I don't think this bull run's going to be that massive until 2021. I mean, don't get me wrong. I think we're going to have a great year, but I think that final big, huge pump like we seen at the end of 2017 is going to be 2021. That's just my opinion. We'll keep up on it and see what happens. What about the CME future gap? What, the one at 8,500 or whatever? That's what I'm saying. I think we go to 7,700, possibly 8,000. I've showed that a million times. I won't make everybody watch it again. Go check out my video. I showed it in this morning's update video, why I believe we will correct after around the 11.1 area. This bull run into 2021 will be huge. We'll have some rocky road along the way, of course. Oh yeah, we'll see some 40-50% corrections where everybody is scared and thinks it's dead, and all the smart people will be buying the dips. There's a gap from 75 to 7,600 too. Yeah, I mean, we could go that low. We could wick down there, but see, if we went straight down right now, Depends on where we go down over here. Yeah, we could do the 7,500. Depends on when we bounce down from here. If I'm correct. If I'm correct. BTC prediction for halving. But around halving time, I think we'll probably be around the $8,000 to $9,000 range. That's my guess. CME gap trader will be wrecked. Overall goal to Bitcoin 150K next year this time. It's possible, man. It's Bitcoin. Anything's possible. If you should see my long-term chart, and again, as you can see, these trend lines I have on the bottom on the RSI here. This was from the 2013 bull run. This one, 2017 bull run. And this one is placed at 2021. And if it was to follow this trend line, that would put us at 316,000 2021. If it was to follow this trajectory. Let's see. Ethereum about to blow 260 to 260. I mean, it has room to pump up a little more. My next target for Ethereum is 251, but I think we'll see a correction before then. Excuse me. But this target, obviously, in this chart I made about 2 weeks ago for somebody on a live stream, and we did hit our 228 target today. So that was nice. I think Ethereum officially turned the corner. Where do you suspect Ethereum will be around June, July 2020? I'm not sure. I honestly don't. I don't know if I believe in Ethereum. Actually, I don't believe in it, but I could be wrong. That's just my opinion. You know, it keeps changing its use case every year, so it don't really have a use case. It just has a assumed use case. We'll see. Big Mark said I can't smash the likes twice. I wish I could. Yeah, guys, don't forget to hit the likes, please, and thank you. Tree said I just trade alts for more Bitcoin. Right on, a lot of people do that. I do not mess with the alts, though. Rook Stock Picker. I expected a 3x on Bitcoin by end of the year, 10x for some altcoins. Sounds about right, actually. Ethereum can't get into something with no cap. Supposedly they're doing their burn now. That's what I mean. Ethereum keeps changing its mind about everything, keeps switching, trying to make it sound good. I just don't like it. I don't like the way they do that. There's a lot of people behind it. I don't care what anyone says. It is centralized. I don't like it. There's some big money option plays expire in March in the 500s. Keep checking my LTC GPB trade. It's still above the previous resistance levels. Hopefully we'll close above it. Brandon Phillips, he's afraid of what he doesn't understand in Ethereum. He will miss out and be very sad. Or SH Crypto Mining, welcome to the channel, man. I'm not afraid of it. I don't like Ethereum. I don't like what it's about. I don't like how it changes its mind every year. And period. I do honestly think that Ethereum will most likely fall apart. Henry, what's happening, man? Savvy is a Bitcoin whisperer. I don't think I'm a Bitcoin whisperer, but thanks, man. Actually, in 2015, I bought my first Bitcoin and Ethereum. Stupid I was, sold it to buy Apple. My biggest regret ever. Ouch. Hindsight's always 20/20, man. Treese, I don't like the new Ethereum 2.0, don't get me wrong. Not a long-term ETH investor. Yeah, I mean, pretty much. I mean, you could buy Ethereum now and you're going to make money, but I'm not looking at that stuff. That's why I don't mess with shitcoins. I'm investing my money. I want to hold the things I'm buying because I believe in them, and I really think that Litecoin and Bitcoin are gonna succeed. They already do what they're supposed to do. They're not trying to find a use case, they have a use case. And Bitcoin and Litecoin are not in competition. I think things competing with Bitcoin will lose. Even the counterfeit Bitcoins will definitely lose. And that is Bitcoin Cash and Bitcoin SV. Like I said, I don't have a problem. I mean, people want to trade that stuff, great. You can make money trading it, but to believe in it, that's a whole different ball game. Sean McGovern, hey Savvy, how's the Ethereum will crash again with another crypto kitties? Yeah. Raul, yes I am. Brandon Phillips, I still watch your show and subscribe because I dig your TA. Gotta fuck with you on live stream though. I definitely appreciate your material. Thanks, Brandon. Yeah, I mean, like I said, everybody's got their own feelings on stuff. This is my channel, so I can tell you exactly how I feel about stuff and my thoughts, and it is what it is, man. Andres Oxa, your Ethereum is not a shitcoin. All right. Just trade on high leverage for kicks, XRP as well. Yeah, if you guys didn't hear earlier, obviously I have a Bybit link and a Prime XBT link if you're interested in leverage trading down below. By using my link for Bybit, you get a $90 bonus. And Prime XBT, if you use my link down below and even if you already use Prime XBT on my link, and if you don't, you can cancel your account, start a new email, and do it with my link. But if you use the promo code CryptoSavy, you get 35% bonus. So if you was to deposit 1,000, you would get extra 350. You can't withdraw that bonus, but you can trade off it and keep the gains. And if you can also, after you put that code in, you can put another promo code, which is CryptoSavy25, and you'll get 25% off of all your fees for a whole month. So right on. Oh, Sean, I'm down to about a half a pack a day, man. It's better. Flat Earth, NASA lies. Gangland OTF. Anybody know if Oracle's method, German pinpick trading, is actually legit? I am gonna say no. If we hit 10K, where should we place our take profit? It depends on where you got in and how you're trading. Tried CBD. I use CBD, but I use it for I have arthritis setting in my fingers from using an impact gun for 20 some years, so, or carpal tunnel, something, whatever it is, but CBD actually helps that. Is that 10 or 5? 10. Trading coming, volume coming in, initiate FOMO, Tree said. CBD is amazing. My dog even uses it as medicine. Yeah, the dog we had to put to sleep, was it 2 weeks ago? She wouldn't eat, and we started giving her CBD, and she ate like normal again for a long time. So yeah, I believe in CBD. Josh Gruber said I roll tobacco with CBD and it helps my lungs. 5's too many. I know, man. I know. Bitcoin all-time high 2020. Litecoin all-time high 2020. It's a good possibility, man. I think we'll probably hit all-time high, but I don't think we'll top out this year. Taking profit is all dependent on the trend lines and previous resistance levels for me. EMAs are pretty damn bullish right now. RSI, not so sure. The RSI is still looking pretty damn Right, this trend lines that I've been showing you guys in my morning updates on the RSIs. That is what I'm watching. And actually, let's see how this daily RSI closes here. Well, I'm not going to be on that long, but we are popping above this trend line. Let's see if we can close above it. If we close above that, man, who knows? It could we could have a nice heavy rally coming. This is the most chillaxed crypto YouTube channel. Thanks, man. That's what I try to shoot for. I don't want to be all crazy and yelling and promising the super indicators and blah 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 blah. Take it easy, Dirksy. Oh, I don't know who you was talking about. Oh, Komodo Beto. Yeah, Sean, I know, man. I appreciate it. It sucks. I hate smoking. I've actually quit twice. First time for about 2 years and the second time for about 7 months. Andrea said, smash the like for Bitcoin over 10K. Simlane, I hate those hype channels. They're so fake. Yeah, and most of their TA isn't that good either. Peter, just subscribe to the channel. Welcome to the channel, brother. Yo, Savy, were you a mechanic using impact gun? No, I was same work I'm in now. I just run the company now, but it was changing giant tires in stone quarries and construction equipment. So using a big 1-inch impact. Do you think this is a bull trap or a real pump? So what I'm looking for is the 1065, and then we'll figure from there. And I'm watching these trend lines on the RSI to see if we can continue the pump afterwards. So Ron Eloff just subscribed. Welcome to the channel, Ron. Glad to have you. LB Records, you are for people for real, Savvy. Thanks, man. I tried. That's, you know, there's a lot of... The dog got the munchies. There's a lot of scammy crap in this space, guys. Be careful, especially if you're new here. Just be careful. Reman, how did you learn TA? I talked about that earlier. I started out in penny stocks, and believe it or not, started out watching a lot of Tim Sykes stuff. And then I got one onto Elliott Wave, and then I got into Wyckoff. I was still in the Elliott Wave when I got into crypto, and I was in the process of learning Wyckoff, and then I kind of combined it all, put my own stuff together, and kind of just created my own out of a little bit of everything. A lot of people who bought Bitcoin for the first time late December 17th use CBD today. Simlane says, Litecoin had a pump today. It's above previous resistance, and Bitcoin seems to be following behind it. Yeah. Bitcoin or Litecoin a lot of times does the, you know, actually makes the formations before Bitcoin, and Bitcoin follows with the same formations. It's really, really quite interesting. Just like, you know, you look at it. There's Bitcoin, there's Litecoin. And Litecoin does all the moves a little before. Let me click back and forth so you can see it again. Go to the 4 hour. That's Bitcoin, Litecoin. Bitcoin, Litecoin. Amazing. Have you got white finger? Because that would suck. A few guys in heavy industry that have it. I don't know what that is, so I'm guessing I don't have it. Savvy, highly recommended. Alan Carr's easy way to stop smoking. Book for quitting, helped me big time. Easy retarded proof, read. But it's like Satan. Gets your switches and does the trick. I might check that out, man. Thanks, vegan. Could you have your wife just display a hoodie on her page so it's easy for me to pick and go? I think she will eventually. She's got a lot of stuff going on, so yeah, the hoodies are like these right here. These are the hoodies. You can put anything you want on it. And if you've seen the Bitcoin one I wear, same thing. These are the hoodies. They got you know, pockets for gadgets in them and crap. They're actually pretty nice hoodies. That's exactly what you do, is find a way to fit trading to your personality. That's right. Not everybody trades the same, man, but you can learn technical analysis and then go from there and develop your own, man. Depending on how you trade. If you want to be a day trader and sit in front of the computer all day, you're going to trade smaller time frames. You're going to be doing a lot more trades. I do that once in a while. I've played with it, but I like the longer trades more. I buy a shirt with your face. What is this Gabriel dude talking about? Girls under 15 here. I think we need to ban that guy or something. Weird. I think if Litecoin closes above 77 on the daily in the next 2 days, we're going up higher. Yeah, it could be. Peace, Savy. Going to see Jay and Silent Bob reboot in Province. Take it easy. Have a good one, Treese. Scott Chandler, thanks. Love that you're a real person and not a YouTuber just pumping content. Appreciate it, man. I don't know what's going on with my phone, but it keeps... Something apparently is happening here. Hold on 1 second, guys. And of course, all right, sorry about that. I am back. I never hear you talk about Ripple. How do you look at this coin? Do you think it will still kick in? Ripple is not a coin, it's a company, and XRP is a coin, and no, I don't like it at all. Like I said, I came from penny stocks. If you look at XRP, as a matter of fact, I will pull it up here just to show you. Let's look at XRP. It is exactly a penny stock. It's exactly what it acts like, and it will die. Just like a penny stock. Guys, there is XRP. Horrendous. That is the worst chart I've ever seen. Even in penny stocks, they don't get that ugly. You know, you may get some pumps in here, maybe to $1 or something, but it's not going to do what people think. This coin is garbage. Is it time for an ice cream in the interval? The porn music is getting like water torture. My bad. XRP is trash non-crypto banker token. Ripple is literally a boiler room. Exactly, man. It's a penny stock. It's a pump and dump. They're making a shitload of money off of it. Taking it from people. Thoughts on Tezos? Same thing. Junk. I know everybody says, but they got partnerships with this person and that person. Guys, this is a crypto space. They can say they have partnerships with whoever the hell they want, but if the people that they say they have partnership with aren't the ones actually talking about them, like the big companies or the governments, it's not happening. Penny stocks do the same thing. They put out fake news crap, and the people that know that they're going to pay to put out that fake news, they buy first, and then they put that news out, and then it pumps, and then they dump it on people. And that's the same thing that happens with all these shit coins. Tezos is now available in real cheese. Alright, guys. I'm going to get the hell out of here. Have a great night. Members, I will be putting out a link to the to the Zoom group tonight here, maybe an hour or so, something like that, but I'll put it out. And yeah, anyways, if you're not subscribed, definitely subscribe to the channel, guys. I do live streams every once in a while, sometimes more than others, but I do daily updates every single morning, And join our Discord group. It's in the description below the video. It's totally free. Great group of people in there. Come hang out. And thanks a lot, guys. You guys rock. I appreciate everything. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up on your way out. And don't forget to comment and give a like to all the videos you watch on the YouTube people you like, including me, hopefully. Thanks, and bye.